Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the headset is ready. Power it off, disconnect Bluetooth on nearby devices, and confirm battery level is sufficient so the unit won't die mid-reset. Once done, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to power cycle. This clears minor state issues and stabilizes firmware. Make sure the LED indicators behave as expected. If you see rapid flashing, note the pattern. These first actions remove transient faults and prepare the headphones for the full. Now you perform the actual factory reset using the model's button combination. You press and hold the power plus volume up or volume down depending on model for 5 to 10 seconds. You'll feel a click or see LEDs flash to confirm. This clears stored pairings and returns settings to default. Once you see the reset indicator, release buttons and wait for the device to reboot. Because this erases pairings, you'll have to repair devices, which is why your phone being nearby matters. After the reset, put the headphones into pairing mode and re-enable Bluetooth on your phone. You then select the JBL Tune entry to pair. If the headset does not appear, power it off and hold the pairing combo for a few seconds to force discoverable mode, then scan again. If pairing still fails, charge the battery fully and repeat the reset process. Low battery can prevent proper resets. Finally, if problems continue, try the same steps with a different phone to rule out host device issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.